This health center means so much in the community.
I like the way they treat people. It's a very welcoming environment.
They really cared for me as a person.
Simply put, it's a lifesaver.
Just listen to your lungs, take a deep breath in and out.
For 50 years, the Mount Vernon Neighborhood Health Center has been at the heart of this community.
So take a deep breath for me. Beautiful, okay.
Serving generations of families.
My mom was bringing me here from the day I was born, and I put my children here.
How are you?
When I come here, I feel family, security. They let the nurse check you out. It's very comfortable, the atmosphere. The treatment that you get from every staff, it's wonderful.
Families just like Kimra Suarez's.
The health center is a foundation of family. It stands behind you with integrity and good health. So I know that I'm being treated fairly. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Five decades ago, the health center was a brainchild of devoted community activists, including David Ford and Carol Morris. Their goal from the beginning was, how do we make a difference?
We would not be here today had it not been for the visionaries who wanted a place within the community where patients would not be seen as a number, but rather as a person.
They believed healthcare was a fundamental human right and went about the hard work of building a facility whose core mission was providing preventive and primary health care to low-income and uninsured people in a community where there was nowhere else to turn for help.
Communities like this are disproportionately impacted with every and any medical condition that you can think of. And oftentimes, these are folks who don't have access to services, whether it be financial, transportation. They don't have access to the services. So it's vital that the service is brought to them in the community that is accessible and affordable.
You can say the health center had humble beginnings. In fact, when we opened our doors back in 1973, the accommodations were modest.
I can still recall, as a high school student, I went to high school right down the road, Mount St. Michael Academy, when the Mount Vernon Neighborhood Health Center started out in 2 trailers. The community was so excited about it, how we have a place to go that wouldn't break the bank.
In 1980, we moved into this 50,000 square foot facility, and we've never stopped evolving.
Keep up the good work.
Adding more programs, sites, and a small army of devoted staff members
How are you?
Good.
to treat the hundreds of thousands of patients who walk through our doors with care,
Check your blood pressure right now.
respect,
So what brings you here today?
and dignity.
Breathe out.
There's nothing better you can do for a patient or somebody in need than to listen to them, and they know that you're listening and really caring about what they're saying.
Over the years, as the need for quality healthcare has grown, so have we.
We have 8 different sites. We're not just located on 4th Street and 8th Avenue. You know, we're all over Westchester. White Plains, Greenburgh, Yonkers, Valhalla in the homeless shelter.
With such a large coverage area in our 50th year, we are embarking on a number of big changes. A $12 million facelift, an upgrade and expansion of our services, and we are adopting a new name to reflect our ever-expanding vision.
We're changing the name because we need to ensure that our identity is synonymous with what we're actually doing.
From now on, our organization shall be known as the Westchester Community Health Center.
We need a name that says we are located throughout the county of Westchester, providing care to all. So the new name is all-encompassing of the range of sites and services that are offered.
Even though the name has changed,
Westchester Community Health Center, it's a lifeline.
rest assured our core mission hasn't.
It doesn't matter where we provide the health care. We just want to provide quality health care.
We have always been here, helping our neighbors get the care they need.
We're gonna see the doctor right now?
Through healthcare and beyond,
For me, it's awesome.
and that will never change.
We will continue to touch lives and lift the spirits throughout all of the communities that we serve for generations to come.